Now we come to the third concept of mean, median and mode. It is a measure of central tendency aimed at pointing out the value that occur most frequently in a series. The value which it represents the data is known as mode. Mode simply refers to the value that occur maximum number of time in a particular series, or the value with the maximum concentration of item in the series. Methods of calculating mode. First, individual series. Second, discrete series. Third is continuous series. In individual series, inspect the item that occur most frequently in the distribution. If marks of the students are given as 10, 20, 20, 50, 40, 3, 7, 15, 8. So there is number of observation is 10 and mode is 20 because 20 appears 3 times. Maximum number of students get 20 marks. Therefore, the value of mode will be 20. Next, in discrete series, variable and frequencies are given. Variable 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Frequency 2, 8, 20, 10, 5. By inspection, frequency 20 is the maximum. The value of mode will be 30, corresponding to the maximum frequency. The value of mode will be corresponding to the maximum frequency. So the mode is 30 in discrete series. Third is continuous series. The formula for calculating mode in continuous series is L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into में I, where L is lower limit of model group, its model. F1 frequency of model group, F0 frequency of the group preceding model group, F2 frequency of the group succeeding model group, and I magnitude of model group. Let's see an example where class interval and frequencies are given. Class interval is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. Frequencies are 2, 8, 10, 20, 4, 3 and 3. Total number of frequencies is 50. So N is 50. By observation, where frequency is maximum, the class interval corresponding to that frequency is model group. So 30 to 40 will be the model group. Values put in the formula: L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into में I, where 30 and 40 is the model class. So 30 is L, F1 is 20 and F0 preceding class 10 and F2 is 4 because F2 is succeeding model group and I is 10. Difference is 10. So I is magnitude, so I is 10. Calculating mode in continuous, 30 plus 20 minus 10 divided by 2 into 20 minus 10 minus 4 into 10. 30 plus 100 divided by 26 is equals to 30 plus 3.8. So the answer is 33.8 in continuous series. So this is your answer of continuous series. We have done mode in individual series, in discrete series and in continuous series. Next, let me see the merits and demerits of mode. First, merits of mode. Mode is the most representative value of distribution. It is useful to calculate model wage. It is most affected by the extreme items in the series. It can be determined graphically. For open-ended classes, mode can be calculated. It can be located by inspection. Demerits of mode. It is not based on all observation. We can see mode cannot be calculated when frequency distribution is ill-defined. It is not capable of further algebraic treatment. Last, it is not rigidly defined measures because several formulae to calculate mode is used. So this is your mode. I hope you will be able to understand mode.